So everyone, today we'll start with irregular verbs. So we've done regular ER, regular IR, regular RE ending verbs. Today let's start with irregular verbs. Yeah. Now there are some regular verbs which are like ER, parler, finir, descendre, vendre, right? ER, IR and RE ending verbs. Some will be irregular verbs. Again, quickly repeating, the pronouns are je, tu, il, nous, vous, il, elle. Right? Remember, these are the pronos sujet, the pronouns, subject pronouns. Now, the four major irregular verbs in French are être, avoir, aller, and faire. Yeah, être, avoir, aller, and faire. Let's quickly learn the conjugations of each one of them, everyone. Être, to be, we've already done this. A quick recap, please repeat. Je suis.
Je suis.
Tu es.
Tu es.
Il, elle est.
Elle est.
Nous sommes.
Nous sommes.
Vous êtes.
Vous êtes.
Ils, elles sont.
Elles sont.
Yeah. The second verb is avoir, which is to have. Conjugation is j'ai.
J'ai.
Tu as.
Tu as.
Il, elle a.
Elle a.
Nous avons.
Nous avons.
Vous avez.
Vous avez.
Ils ont.
Elles ont.
Elles ont.
Elles ont.
Okay. Then the third verb is aller. Everyone, repeat with me. Aller.
Aller.
Je vais.
Je vais.
Tu vas.
Va.
Il, elle va.
Elle va.
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
Vous allez.
Vous allez.
Ils, elles vont.
Elles vont.
And the last one is faire.
Faire.
Je fais.
Je fais.
Tu fais.
Tu fais.
Il, elle fait.
Elle fait.
Nous faisons.
Nous faisons.
Vous faites.
Vous faites.
Ils, elles font.
Elles font.
Yeah, we've already done these four verbs. It was a quick recap for you guys. Yeah. Moving on to next set of, okay, one very important thing is that we never use être for saying I'm hungry or I'm 20 years old. We say j'ai 20 ans. So, tu as 20 ans. You are 20 years old. Use verb avoir. They are hungry. Ils ont faim. Okay, remember for age and when we talk about hunger, right? Then we don't use verb être. We instead use verb avoir. Yeah. A few examples. I want you all to repeat again. Je suis heureuse.
Je suis heureuse.
Nous sommes amis.
Nous sommes amis.
J'ai un chien.
J'ai un chien.
Je vais à l'école.
Je vais à l'école.
Ça va?
Ça va.
Je fais mes devoirs.
Je fais mes devoirs.
Tu fais du sport?
Je fais du sport.
Is there anything which is not clear? It was a quick recap of whatever we've done so far. Everybody knows how to make sentences with être, avoir, aller, and faire? Yeah?
Yes.
All right, let's move on then. Now, some other irregular verbs which are very common. Venir we have done. Pouvoir and vouloir are very important verbs. Pouvoir is how we say I can do this, I cannot do this, or I'm able to do this, however you want to translate. And vouloir is to wish or to want something. I want a coffee, I want a drink, I want this, I want that. That is verb vouloir. Very important verbs and very similar verbs also. Again, let's repeat with me, everyone. Can is pouvoir, everyone. Pouvoir.
Pouvoir.
Je peux.
Je peux.
Tu peux.
Tu peux.
Il, elle peut.
Elle peut.
Nous pouvons. Oh, sorry.
Nous pouvons.
Yeah, sorry. Nous pouvons.
Nous pouvons.
Vous pouvez.
Vous pouvez.
Vous pouvez.
Elles peuvent.
Elles peuvent.
Elles peuvent.
Yeah. Next is vouloir.
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 Je veux.
Je veux.
Je veux.
Tu veux.
Tu veux.
Tu veux.
Il veut.
Elles veulent.
Il veut.
Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Nous voulons.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Vous voulez.
Elles veulent.
Elles
Ils
veulent.
veulent.
I'm giving you 30 seconds. Quickly learn pouvoir, vouloir conjugation, everyone. All right. Now let's look at the example. Tu peux parler français? Can you speak French? Tu peux parler. Right? Or we want to eat. Nous voulons manger. So remember, I'm teaching another concept. Whenever two verbs come together in French, let's say we're talking about present tense at the moment, the first verb we will always conjugate, but the second verb will remain in the infinitive form, as in the non-conjugated form. So if let's say I want to say, I want to go to Paris. How will I say? Anybody? I want to go to Paris.
Je veux.
Je veux
Aller.
aller
À Paris.
à Paris. Very good. Je veux aller à Paris. I want to go to Paris. Now see, there are two verbs, consecutive two verbs. The first verb will always conjugate, and the second verb will write it in infinitive form, as in the unchanged form, original form, not the conjugated form. Yeah. I can, okay. But if there is a noun, for instance, I want a coffee. Je veux un café. Je veux un café. Yeah. So this is how we write sentences in if there are two verbs together versus after a verb if there is a noun. Noun you can write as it is. But if there is another second verb, please remember it will always be in the infinitive form. Yeah. Now a quick recap of the verb venir, everyone. Please repeat with me. Venir.
Venir.
Je viens.
Je viens.
Je viens.
Tu viens.
Tu viens.
Tu viens.
Elle vient.
Il vient.
Nous venons.
Nous venons.
Nous venons.
Vous venez.
Vous venez.
Vous venez.
Elles viennent.
Ils viennent.
Yeah. This is the verb which we've already done. Now. Yeah. So you can add a lot of verbs here. Je veux aller. Je veux manger. Je veux faire. Je veux parler. So you can use it in different ways. I want to go, I want to eat, I want to do, I want to speak. Whatever you want to add, please remember the formula will always be subject pronoun, irregular verb, whatever the verb is, like the conjugation of the verb, and the infinitive form of the verb. If whenever there are two verbs together, please remember this concept. Yeah. Let's quickly do a small exercise, everyone. The first one, what is the answer?
Je suis.
Je suis. Second.
Tu as.
Tu as. Correct. Third one.
Nous allons.
Nous allons. Elle.
Elle fait.
Elle fait. And then ils
viennent.
viennent. And vous.
Pas.
Vous
Non,
pouvez.
pouvez.
Way. Right? Please remember, guys, these irregular verbs are very, very important. You'll have to learn these irregular verbs. Absolutely important. Yeah? Now, je veux un café is what in English?
I want a
I'm
coffee.
going to the
I want a
cafe.
coffee.
Oh,
Nous
the coffee.
faisons nos devoirs, meaning
We do our homework.
we do our homework. Il va à Paris.
He's going to Paris.
He's going to Paris. Now, I am tired in French will be
Yes, with fatigue.
Je suis fatigué. She has a book.
Elle a
Elle a un livre. Correct. And the third one?
nous pouvons.
Nous pouvons. Very good. Yeah, everyone. Again, pouvoir, vouloir. Again, very important verbs which you'll have to master. Okay. Okay, we do. There is this one more slide. Yeah. Okay. One more slide of irregular verbs, everyone. These are again three more very important verbs. One is savoir, to know, prendre, to take, and dire, to say. Okay, let's learn the conjugations. Keep on repeating. Savoir,
Savoir.
Savoir.
je sais,
Je sais.
Je sais.
tu sais,
Tu sais.
Je sais.
elle sait,
Il sait.
nous savons,
Nous savons.
Nous savons.
vous savez,
Vous
Vous
savez.
savez.
elles savent.
Elle
Ils savent.
Yeah, which is I know, you know, he knows, she knows, we know, you know, they know. Yeah. Then to take in French is prendre, everyone. Prendre.
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 Je prends.
Je prends.
J'apprends.
Tu prends.
Tu prends.
Je prends.
Elle prend.
Elle prend.
Il prend.
Nous prenons.
Nous
Nous
prenons.
prenons.
Vous prenez.
Vous
Vous
prenez.
prenez.
Elles prennent.
Elle
Ils
prennent.
prennent.
To say is dire, everyone, dire.
Dire.
Je dis.
Je dis.
Tu dis.
Tu dis.
Je dis.
Elle dit.
Elle dit.
Je dis.
Nous disons.
Nous disons.
Nous disons.
Vous dites.
Vous dites.
Vous dites.
Elles disent.
Elle
Ils
dit.
disent.
I'm giving you 1 minute. Quickly learn these three conjugations. Then we'll make some sentences. Now with me, everyone. Repeat. I know the response. Je sais la réponse.
Je sais la réponse.
Are you taking the bus? Tu prends le bus?
Tu prends le bus.
He says hello. Il dit bonjour.
Il dit bonjour.
Okay. Now, let's make some sentences. Okay. With être, you can use any adjective. With être, anybody would want to try? The options are here. Make any sentence.
Ils sont heureux.
Hmm?
Ils
Like-
sont heureux.
Sont heureuses.
Heureuses.
Heureuses. Correct. Very good. Ils sont heureux. They are happy. With aller,
Je
anybody?
vais.
Je vais
à la maison.
à la maison. I'm going to the house. Correct. And with faire,
Elle fait la cuisine.
je fais. Elle.
Elle,
Okay. Elle
fait
fait la cuisine. All right. Yeah. Je fais mes devoirs. You can use any of these. But the thing is that you should know the conjugation correctly, everyone. For that, please revise. Okay? It's very, very important that you revise. So we did 6 new verbs roughly. Yeah, today new verbs. These verbs are already, we've already done. So I want you to please revise these verbs. Tomorrow we'll start with a new topic. Yeah. Yes, everyone.
Ok. Merci.
Guys, merci alors. À demain.
Same. Merci.
Merci.